This is the Stoller Tarot in a Tin, a lively and light-hearted, pocket-sized, complete tarot deck created by comic strip artist Adam Stoller and published by US Games Systems, Inc. It's a fun and whimsical take on the traditional tarot, and what's immediately noticeable is the compact tin packaging. Instead of a typical tuck box or rigid box, that tin makes this deck feel like a collectible or conversation piece rather than your usual tarot set. And it's nice and compact, great for on-the-go readings. Adam Stoller brings like a cartoon-inspired visual language to classic tarot archetypes, which means the cards are full of playful imagery, bright colors, and symbolic reinterpretations that feel fresh and imaginative. The suits, for example, are transformed into thematic elements like spoons, balloons, buckets, and brooms, and I bet you can guess what those are traditionally supposed to be. And this gives the deck a sense of humor and personality while still maintaining its tarot structure. The deck feels like flipping through a comic strip full of symbolic jokes and quirky characters. The charm of the deck makes it accessible to beginners and a delight for seasoned readers who appreciate creativity and reinterpretation. Some cards may stand out simply because they're so different from what you see in a standard tarot deck. They make you think about the meanings in a new way rather than just recall old symbols. The physical feel of this deck is one of its stronger selling points, in my opinion, because the cards are compact and portable, which I absolutely love. All 78 cards are included along with a booklet explaining meanings and interpretations. For new readers or anyone who wants guidance without lugging around a bigger book. And the cardstock is sturdy enough and handles well, but shuffling might take a little adjustment if you're used to the full-size tarot. But overall, this deck is a great pick for people who love tarot with character and want something that feels like a storybook of modern myth.